It's just Jeff. He's on the go with a big bright shirt and a whoa, whoa, whoa. Learning is fun, and so are you. Let's get ready for something new. It's just Jeff. Here we go. Hey!
Whoa, it's me, Jeff. Today we're talking about the best thing ever. No, not Pizza Pockets or Pokemon. We're talking about making someone's day. That's right, little surprises to make people smile, a big cheesy grin, the sort of smile that makes you think, did they just find an extra chicken nugget in their Happy Meal? Whoa, look at this. It's a rock, but not just any rock. You can paint it with a silly face or a smile or a dinosaur in sunglasses, and it becomes a magic rock. You can leave it in the park or on the sidewalk or by your neighbor's mailbox. Imagine walking along thinking, hey, there's a rock with a mustache on it. This is the best day ever. Back in the 90s, your parents or your grandparents had pet rocks. That's right, they bought a rock and called it a pet. Your painted rock? Way cooler. Your rock is a rock star. Did you know you could help someone be a treasure hunter? You can take coins or tape dollar bills to a park bench or near a water fountain. And then they come along and they find it and they're like, whoa, I'm rich. Maybe not Jeff Bezos rich, but rich enough for a gumball. Okay, but don't tape a sandwich though. Trust me, I tried that. Ew. Oh, whoa. Notes aren't just for homework. If you can write something nice. If you can't write, get a grown-up to help you out. Write something like, you're awesome, or you're faster than Sonic, or even you're cooler than a polar bear's toenails. The parents are gonna get that one. Stick them on a mirror at home. Or stick it to your brother or sister's lunchbox. Or in your friend's favorite book. Imagine your friend opening up their favorite book to see a note that says, you're super cool. You might even make their day. Want to make someone's day at home? Leave a little snack surprise, like a cookie in your mom's purse or a granola bar on your dad's desk.
Whoa, where does granola bar come from?
Mission accomplished. And you don't need stuff to make someone's day. You can just use your voice and say something nice like, I like your shoes.
Thank you.
You are so good at baseball.
Thank you, it's my favorite sport.
You are super funny like SpongeBob. And SpongeBob is really funny. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Not me.
Yeah, this is the funniest one. Do a super silly dance for someone who's not expecting it. Say your little brother or sister walks up, you bust out the Macarena. Boom, ba, 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 ba. Trust me, this thing was a hit before TikTok. Boom, ba, 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 ba. Whoa, whoa. Making someone's day doesn't have to be big. It can be a rock. It can be a note. It can be a snack. It can be a silly dance. The coolest part, though, is that making someone else smile makes you smile too, because happiness is contagious. Okay, who wants to be a happiness ninja? That's you. Okay, go sneak around, leave surprises, and make the whole world smile. Whoa, 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 Jeff out. Mic drop. Okay, actually, don't drop microphones, they're really expensive. See you later.
It's just Jeff. Don't forget to subscribe.